Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I pre-poo my daughter's hair with coconut oil. Okay, so let's get straight into pre-pooing. So as you can see, I'm using coconut oil to pre-poo my daughter's hair. I first start with her scalp. I add some of the oil to her scalp and then I give her a scalp massage. This just helps to stimulate blood flow and encourage growth. Now I pre-poo my daughter's hair before I shampoo her hair. So this is the first step of her wash day routine before I shampoo her hair. And just in case you're wondering what a pre-poo is, it's basically a pre-shampoo treatment. So it's what you do before you shampoo the hair. So once I'm done with applying the oil to her scalp and giving her a scalp massage, I then apply the oil to the full length of her hair and then I just work the oil into her hair. So once I'm done with that, the next step is to finger detangle her hair. So I do a light finger detangle with the coconut oil in her hair, and it really helps me to get rid of some of the tangles and the knots in her hair. So now my daughter is older, she's 5 years old. I like to do a pre-poo treatment overnight. So I do an overnight pre-poo treatment and then in the morning, I then proceed with wash day. Now, for those that are not aware, pre-pooing has so many benefits. Just to name a few, it's great with detangling. So this helps me to detangle my daughter's hair, finger detangle my daughter's hair with ease. It also helps with shine. It helps prevent high growth fatigue. It also helps to prevent protein loss, particularly when you use coconut oil. So once I'm done with finger detangling, the next step is to just twist up that section, move on to the next and repeat all of those steps. Mamas, if you're struggling to create an effective regime for your child in order for you to see length retention, moisture retention, and overall healthy hair, struggle no more. As always, I've created a free guide especially for you to help you to create an effective regime, to help you to understand the components needed to build an effective regime so that your child can achieve healthy hair as well. All you need to do is to click the link below this video in the description box and you can get access to this free guide. Don't forget to download your free guide. All you need to do is to click the link below this video in the description box and you can get access to this guide. Now please remember this, mamas, that the key to healthy hair that flourishes, retains length, retains moisture is having an effective regime in place. So once I'm done with all the sections, I put a conditioning cap on her hair and then I add a scarf just to keep it secured and in place while she's sleeping. And then in the morning, as I mentioned before, I proceed with wash day. And that is it, NC fam. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share if anyone you feel may benefit from watching. Take care. Bye.